welcome back to another video. I'm in the aviary with all the Bengalese finches and the other exotics right behind me there. We've just given them some fresh sitting grass. You can see right behind me here a few different spots that we're putting around the aviary so they can eat. And yeah, it's again pretty hot today. I've got plans to start building the aviary on Friday. I've got a day off on Friday, so I'm pretty excited about that. I'm going to show you what the plans are, and I've also organised a few of the birds to be sold on Friday to make some more room. There they all are. So there's quite a lot in here, but I have already moved some of the previous birds a few days ago to some other cages just to free up some space and prepare them for sale. And yeah, in the next few weeks that's what we'll be doing, just trying to get a few more sold, look at which ones we're going to pair up, and obviously start the big aviary complex so we can get some of these exotic ones in there too. But I'm pretty happy to say that a lot of these Bengalese finches are doing well, and they're producing some really nice colours. At the moment they've pretty much stopped breeding. The only ones that are breeding in here are still the zebras. There's a few nests that I've found with babies which are fairly big, almost about to jump out. So yeah, we're pretty excited. I'll show you what we're up to. So there's plenty of room here actually to go crazy and build some more aviaries, but we won't be doing that unless we're allowed to. I'm just going to check up on the other birds in here. I do put some of this plastic on the sides there to protect them from the draft wind. And this aviary here is generally just a holding aviary, but as we know, the zebras and the Bengalese, they still like to make nests. So there's been a few breeding. But I do need to do something about these as well. And this is where it's going to begin. This whole area here is going to measure up to 10 meters. Now the 10-meter point, we actually just sort of stop here. So I'm planning to make three 3-meter sections within a 9-meter aviary, and also a safety entrance here. And then in this corner we'll eventually put a holding aviary that will split the two, so I can walk in here, go into the holding aviary, and open the door here to walk forward and pretty much just go through the different sections. I do plan to leave that old tree in there, and that one over there I will remove. So we're just going to have to do some weeding on Friday to get this nice and level. We'll take out the old garden beds. We're going to replace them with new ones to build the foundation and make it fully mouse proof and rodent proof and snake proof. I do want to build some sort of water feature inside here, like a pond with a water pump. Still need to figure that out. And it's a little chili tree which we'll remove as well. So it's pretty exciting. So it's going to be a big job, but yeah, essentially the aviary is going to be 9 meters long, 2.5 meters wide. So we're going to start just beside the fence line here, fully sheltered. I am looking to make it 3 meters high, so that's plenty of height. I'm 6'4", so I need a bit of room as well to be able to walk around, and you know, if I'm trying to catch them, I want to reach up and be comfortable as well. What I want to do too is make the 3 different sections to be different habitat zones. So, you know, just to make it a little bit interesting, make it a nice aviary, have it tropical in one area, a little bit more of a dry bushland in another area, and maybe some nice clumps of grass. Wood to make the bottom frame from, and also the metal retain it sections where it's going to slot into, just to keep it nice and secure. So thanks for watching once again, guys, and I will bring you a video soon once again. Keep an eye out for the next one. Obviously we'll be starting the aviary, bring you another video on that, and also an update on the finches.